So today in this video we are talking about Filmora 13 new features drawing tool. So first you have to go to your Wondershare Filmora website, filmora.wondershare.com. You have to download the Filmora 13. In the link will be available in my description. You have to download the Filmora 13 and with your experience in my comments. Then you have to go to Filmora 13. You can see the interface. You can paste your video as your timeline. I just paste my video as your timeline. Then you can see here the drawing tool. Here the new feature of our drawing tool Filmora 13. First you have to click. You can click and see the 4 new features: rectangle, arrow, ellipse and triangle. You can use 4 of them. If you want to use a rectangular shape, you can use these features. If you want to use arrow, point out arrow, you can use this arrow, and ellipse, triangle, any of them you can use. First you have to go to arrow, double click, and you can make simply customize your arrow. Double click on this. You can see basic and animation, transform, position, scale, flip, fill, color, opacity, etc. Simply you have to use scale. You can change the position of the arrow. Simply now the color of the arrow, I love the recent yellow color. You can simply change the position of the arrow like this. Then you have to put some animations. If you want to put some animation, you have to preset animation. You can use anything, any of them. Vertex out, zoom in, zoom out, pause, you can use anything. Then if you want to do some animations, then you have to put some keyframe here. Then go your bar, then put some like this. Then you put some keyframe here like this. Now check, your animation will be created. If you want to use more of them, now put some keyframe. Then you have to remove the arrow. Now here you can put some keyframe. Let's see how it goes. You can see my arrow will be animated. So this is the final output of my video. You can see it's easily working. It's a simple process, simple step. You can easily add on your video, improve your clarity, improve your video quality. And so here is a video. I hope you like my video. You have to subscribe my Filmora Hindi YouTube channel. If you like my video, then comment me, like and share and subscribe Filmora Hindi YouTube channel. I am coming with the next video, and then goodbye.